This is Sean Ellenby with HopkinsSports.com. The Johns Hopkins women's cross-country team made history November 17th, winning the first national title in program history. 3 Blue Jays came home with All-America honors, while head coach Bobby Van Allen was named National Coach of the Year. Now, check out the sights and sounds from this historic day in Terre Haute, Indiana.
Hopkins, you just won a national championship. How's it feel? Tell me the emotions that are going through right now.
Pride. I'm so proud of all of us. I'm in complete shock, and before the race we knew we came in, we were excited, we were happy, we were dancing, we had no bad emotions, totally positive. So I guess I'm not shocked because I knew today was going to be our day. Oh my god!
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh my god!
All right, go.
I'm just so proud of them. I think that's it. I love everybody on there, but I think they just love each other. It's the relationships we've built throughout this season. We've had our ups and downs, but to come together, we made this a fun and excitement, and that's what made it work. But it was, I think, not one person for themselves. It was everybody thinking about each other, and not even just these 7. We've got 44 girls in our team that are constantly pushing us, helping us out, one supporting the other throughout the entire year, and I think that's really what's the biggest difference.